In this video, we'll fix the issue when the Wi-Fi icon is missing or grayed out. This happens when the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. Let's activate it step by step. Click Start, find Run, open Run, type devmgmt.msc, click OK, expand network adapters. Look for a device with Wi-Fi or wireless in its name. For example, Intel Wi-Fi, Realtek Wireless, or MediaTek Wi-Fi, like in this case. If you only see Ethernet or LAN without Wi-Fi, your PC may not support wireless connection. Click Start, find Settings, open Settings, go to Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Check the media state. If it is disabled, click Enable to turn it on. That's how we activate the Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.